Okay, so I'm gonna restart my server, and then I'm gonna clear my browser data, and here we can go through. So the Lewis and secret, boom, you can see the users, and I'd added myself here. So yeah, and then let's clear another data. But this time I'm gonna use myself as the. So I just randomly choose any of the wrong password, and then you're gonna do it again, and then I'm just gonna do the correct one. You're gonna see it's privileged to see the users, which means I'm a guest. So this is basically problem 4. So I'm gonna go to the problem 3 right here. So I'm gonna copy the things here. So if I'm running here, then you can see Be My Love. So these two are originally here, and this is the My Love and some of the words in between, and this is the same. But if I'm doing love plus my, it's gonna be no answers here. So that's basically about the problem 3 and 4.